Once upon a time, in a world where science and technology were at the forefront of every industry, a brilliant scientist named Dr. Jones was trying to come up with a breakthrough invention that would revolutionize the world. She spent long hours in her lab, carrying out experiments and testing different theories. One day, Dr. John had a eureka moment and came up with a new type of energy source that could power entire cities without any pollution. She was thrilled and immediately started working out the details of her invention. However, when Dr. Jones plugged in the power cable and turned on the equipment to test its functionality, she realized that she had hit a roadblock. The energy source was not stable, and it would break down after a few hours of use. She cut off the supply for fear that it would explode. Determined to find out what was causing the problem, Dr. Jones decided to narrow down her focus and carry out more experiments. She spent several weeks analyzing the data and finally found out that the issue was with a specific component in the energy source. Excited to fix the problem, Dr. Jones asked her assistant to put her through to her team immediately and requested that we come on to build a new prototype with the faulty component replaced. As they worked on the new design, Dr. Jones used her knowledge and expertise to help them work out the kinks and make sure the new design was flawless. After several months of hard work, the team finally came up with a new prototype that looked promising. They turned it on and it worked flawlessly, giving up a bright light that lit up the entire lab. However, as they continued to test the new prototype, they realized that it was consuming too much energy and the power output was not as high as they had hoped. Disappointed, Dr. Jones knew that they needed to turn the new prototype into something more efficient. Dr. Jones spent several more months refining the design until they finally achieved the goal. The new energy source was now stable, efficient, and had a power output that exceeded their expectations. Dr. Jones and her team celebrated their success, knowing that the invention would change the world for the better. As they turned off the lights in the lab, Dr. Jones looked back at the prototype and smiled. They had achieved what they had set out to do, and they had done it with hard work, perseverance, and a little bit of luck.
Created using Powtoon.